Sondela hlala phansi sifunde mngani. Sawubona mngani, welcome back to Mama Thando's isiZulu classroom, where learning isiZulu is fun. My name is Mama Thando. Mama Thando. In English, it kind of sounds like I'm saying Mama Thando. But really, what I'm saying is Ma'am Thando. I am so happy to get an opportunity to teach you isiZulu, my language. I would like to know your name. What's your name? Oh, it's so nice to meet you. Now, to say my name is, whatever your name is, in isiZulu you say igama lami u, and then you say your name. I will say my name the same way. Igama lami u Mama Thando. Igama lami u Mama Thando. What's your name? Ubani igama lakho? What's your name? Very well done, mngani. Halala. Now, I would like you to sing the hello song with me. But before we do that, let's learn how to say hello in isiZulu. Hello in isiZulu is sawubona. Sa-wu-bo-na. Now repeat after me. Sa-wu-bo-na. Sawubona. Perfectly said. Sawubona. Now this is our hello song. I'm going to sing it first, and then I'm going to ask you to join me in singing this song. I love this song. Here we go. Sawubona, sawubona, unjani mngani. Sondela hlala phansi sifunde mngani. So hello, hello. How are you, friend? Come close. Sit down and let's learn, friend. Now let's sing together. Sawubona, sawubona, unjani mngani. Sondela hlala phansi sifunde mngani. Perfect. It's so lovely to meet you, my friend. Before we get started with today's lesson, let's start by finding out how everyone feels today. How are you, mngani? How are you, friend? Unjani, how are you? Let's sing our feeling song that will help us to see and tell how we are feeling this morning. Imizwa yethu, imizwa yethu. Mina nginemizwa, wena unemizwa, yena unemizwa, bona banemizwa, sonke sinemizwa. Mina nginjani, ngabe ngiyaphila, ngabe ngidumele, ngabe ngikhathele, ngabe nginjani. Mina ngiyaphila, ngabe wena unjani, ngabe uyaphila, ngabe uyagula, ngabe ujabule. Wena uyaphila, yena unjani. Ngabe udangele, ngabe ukhathele, ngabe uneme. Yena uyaphila, bona banjani. Ngabe bayaphila, ngabe bayakhala, ngabe bathokozile. Bona bayaphila, thina sinjani. Ngabe siyaphila, ngabe sineme, ngabe sijabule. Thina sijabule, thina sijabule. That was great. great. Our song has helped us to know which feeling we are feeling today. What emotion we are feeling today. So, how are you, friend? Unjani namhlanje mngani? Oh, it's good to know. Thank you for letting me know. As for me, ngiyaphila, ngiyaphila, ngiyaphila. I am well. Now let's get on with our isiZulu classroom board and learn all the things that are waiting for us to learn today, namhlanje. After hello, sawubona, we have the days of the week on our board. The days of the week in isiZulu is izinsuku zesonto. Izinsuku zesonto. Days of the week. Izinsuku zesonto. Now, I'm going to read all of them out to you clearly, and then I'm going to read each one and ask you to repeat after me, after each one. All right, let's get started. Isonto, isonto, isonto. Umsombuluko, umsombuluko, umsombuluko. uLwesibili, uLwesibili, uLwesibili. uLwesithathu, uLwesithathu, uLwesithathu. uLwesine, uLwesine, uLwesine. uLwesihlanu, uLwesihlanu, uLwesihlanu. Umgqibelo, umgqibelo, umgqibelo. Now I'll ask you to repeat after me. Isonto, umsombuluko, uLwesibili, uLwesithathu, uLwesine, uLwesihlanu, umgqibelo. Wonderful, mngani. Now that we know how to say all the days of the week in isiZulu, how about we sing them? Yeah, sing with me. Now, for this song, you can either snap your fingers, clap your hands, or stamp your feet. Whatever you feel like doing. Now, let's go. Isonto umsombuluko, Lwesibili uLwesithathu, Lwesine uLwesihlanu, kube umgqibelo. Izinsuku, 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 izinsuku. Brilliant, mngani, you did great. Amazing. Now, let's move on to what day is it today? How do we ask that question again? uLwesingaki namhlanje. uLwesingaki namhlanje. Beautifully done, mngani. Now, here we are. Yesterday, we were in class together, and yesterday was uLwesibili, which then means the next day is today. uLwesithathu. 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 That's Wednesday. So let's put that on the board. Now, to say today is Wednesday in isiZulu is not going to look exactly the same as that. It's going to start with a W, a w sound. Now, here's how to say today is Wednesday in isiZulu. Namhlanje uLwesithathu. Namhlanje uLwesithathu. Namhlanje uLwesithathu. Now, I would like you to repeat after me. The word namhlanje is today. Namhlanje. Now your turn. Great job. uLwesithathu is Wednesday. uLwesithathu. Your turn. Very well done, mngani. Namhlanje uLwesithathu. Today is Wednesday. uLwesithathu, uLwesithathu, uLwesithathu. Namhlanje uLwesithathu, uLwesithathu, uLwesithathu. Namhlanje. Yebo! uLwesithathu namhlanje. So if namhlanje uLwesithathu, then what day was it? Izolo. Yesterday. Izolo. Let's move one back. uLwesibili. Tuesday. Oh, so yesterday was Tuesday. And the word yesterday in isiZulu, we learned it on Monday, is izolo. Izolo. That's yesterday. Now, let's learn how to say the whole sentence and say, yesterday was Tuesday. Let me put it on the board. There we go. Izolo bekuLwesibili. I think I need you to be a bit straighter than that, my friend. There you go. Now, izolo bekuLwesibili. Yesterday was Tuesday. I would like you to repeat each word after me. Izolo bekuLwesibili. Very well done, mngani. Yesterday was Tuesday. Izolo bekuLwesibili. Today is Wednesday. Namhlanje uLwesithathu. Beautiful, beautiful, mngani. Now, can you tell me what is the weather today? Linjani izulu namhlanje. What's the weather today? Linjani izulu namhlanje. Linjani izulu namhlanje. Let's ask that question together. Linjani, linjani izulu namhlanje. Liyabanda, liyashisa, linjani namhlanje. What's the weather like today? Will you go and find out what it is where you are? Ask an adult for help if you need to look out the window. I'll be here waiting for you. Da 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 dee, da da dum, da 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 dee, da da dum. Oh, usubuyile, you're back. weather like where you are? Linjani izulu namhlanje? Oh, beautiful weather. Well, let's also check what the weather is like here, where Mama Thando's isiZulu classroom is. Let's look out our imaginary window. Ooh, look at that. It's beautiful. It is so cool. And it's good because yesterday was a bit hot. It was warm, very warm yesterday. And today is cool. How do we say the weather is cool in isiZulu? Lipholile. Lipholile. Let's say that together. Lipholile. Lipholile. Very well done, Mngani. You did that great. Now, let's put that word on the board. And I would like to put the picture that shows us that the weather is cool today. Now, will you help me? I've got these two pictures here. Which one shows us that today the weather is cool? Is it this one with a bit of cloud and sun? Or is it this one with gray clouds and lightning and rain? No. It's not this one. It's this one. It's nice and cool today. Now, let's read how we say today the weather is cool in isiZulu. Namhlanje, izulu, lipholile. Now, let's say the whole thing. Repeat after me. Namhlanje izulu lipholile. Very well done, Mngani. I'm so proud of you. Halala, Mngani. Now, can you help me dress Amahle up so she can go outside and play for today? Will you? Ngiyabonga Mngani for being willing to help me. Now, Amahle has put out, yebo sawubona Amahle. Yebo ngiyaphila wena. Yebo. Now, she was just saying hi. Now, she's put out two outfits that she wants to wear today. Can we help her to decide which one to wear? Will you? Great. Ngiyabonga. She's got two pairs of shorts that she can wear. Shorts in isiZulu are called isikhindi. Isikhindi. Will you repeat after me? Isikhindi. Beautiful, Mngani. Now, should she wear the brown shorts as she slides down the slide and swing on the swings? Or should she put on these pink and yellow shorts? Which one do you choose? The brown shorts. Isikhindi nsundu. Yeah, that's the one I chose too. Oga Amahle. Isikhindi nsundu. Now, let's see. With these two tops, there is a shirt, ihembe, and there is a t-shirt, isikipha. Which one do we choose for Amahle? This white shirt, ihembe, or this pink t-shirt, isikipha? Don't everything. Yeah, this pink flowery t-shirt is not going to go well with those shorts, is it? So we'll go with this beautiful white shirt. Ihembe. Ihembe. Ngiyabonga mngani. Now she needs shoes to put on. Okay, let's see. There we are. 2 different pairs of shoes. Which one should she wear? The brown shoes or the white shoes? Which ones do you think are the best for today? Amateki, nsundu, brown sneakers, or amateki, amhlophe, the white sneakers? Which ones would you choose? Yeah, me too. I would choose these ones, the brown sneakers. Amateki, nsundu. Beautiful job, mngani, ngiyabonga. Now let's have a look at what Amahle is wearing. Amahle ugqoke ihembe. Amahle ugqoke isikhindi esinsundu. Amahle ugqoke amateki ansundu. Ngiyabonga mngani for helping me help Amahle get dressed for today. Hamba kahle Amahle, udlale kahle, play well. Now let's move on to the next part of our isiZulu classroom board. The next part is the color of this week. Hey, we just said that just now. Nsundu, nsundu, that's brown, nsundu. Now, to say the whole phrase or sentence, we say umbala onsundu. Umbala onsundu, the brown color or the color brown in isiZulu. Now let's look at a few things that are brown so that we can learn how to describe them and say this is brown and that is brown, or those are brown. Now let's see. Umuntu onsundu, we saw that already earlier this week. Ibhola elinsundu. Yeah. Amantombazane ansundu. And today we have ikhabethe elinsundu. Ikhabethe elinsundu. A brown cabinet or a brown cupboard. Ikhabethe elinsundu. Will you repeat after me? Ikhabethe elinsundu. Wonderful mngani. Great job. Moving on to the next part of our board, which is the sound of the week. The sound of this week is e, e, e. Here we have u-e omkhulu, a big e, and we have u-e omncane, a small e, 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 e. Here are some words that we learned this week that have the sound e on them. Ikhekhe, that's the word of the week. Ikhekhe. We learned phezulu, phezulu, phezulu. That's up, above, on top. And we also learned shesha, hurry, hurry up, shesha. We've now just learned a new one, and that is a cupboard or a cabinet. Ikhabethe, 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 a cabinet, a cupboard. Isigqoko esinsundu, isigqoko esinsundu. Now, let's move on down to the number of the week. The number of the week is 2. Kubili, kubili, kubili. That's kubili. Yeah, now I would like us to count a few items and say 2 of this and 2 of that, 2 of this and 2 of that. Now, what do we have here? Abantu ababili. Your turn. Amabhola amabili. Your turn. Amantombazane amabili. Amakhabethe amabili. Let's say that again. Amakhabethe amabili. That's 2 cupboards. Very well done, Mngani. Ngiyabonga. Now, let's move on to the word of the week. The word of the week is ikhekhe. We described the cake yesterday. We said it was tasty by saying ikhekhe elimnandi. Will you repeat that after me? Ikhekhe elimnandi. Great job, Mngani. Now, today we want to say a beautiful cake because it's so pretty. It really is. Now, let's say a beautiful cake in isiZulu. Ikhekhe elihle. Ikhekhe elihle. There we go. Now, I would like you to keep practicing that over and over and over and over so that you get used to speaking these words and you start speaking them with other people around you. Now, great job, Mngani. You did so very well. Let's move on to my favorite part. Numbers. Izinombolo. Izinombolo. Numbers. Let's count from 0 to 9 in isiZulu. Let's get started. Iqanda, iqanda. Kunye, kunye. Kubili, kubili. Kuthathu, kuthathu. Kune, kune. Kuhlanu, kuhlanu. Isithupha, isithupha. Isikhombisa, isikhombisa. Isishiyagalombili, isishiyagalombili. Isishiyagalolunye, isishiyagalolunye. Now, I'll ask you to repeat after me. Iqanda, kunye, kubili, kuthathu, kune, kuhlanu, isithupha, isikhombisa, isishiyagalombili, Isishiyagalolunye. Well done, Mngani. Now we can sing the numbers together. Izinombolo ngesiZulu. Izinombolo ngesiZulu. Izinombolo ngesiZulu. Bala kanye nami. Iqanda. Iqanda. Kunye. Kunye. Kubili. Kubili. Kuthathu. Kuthathu. Kune. Kune. Kuhlanu. Kuhlanu. Isithupha. Isithupha. Isikhombisa. Isikhombisa. Isishiyagalombili. Isishiyagalombili. Isishiyagalolunye. Isishiyagalolunye. Izinombolo ngesiZulu. Izinombolo ngesiZulu. Izinombolo ngesiZulu. That was wonderful, Mngani. That was great. Let's move a little bit before you get on with the rest of your day. Sukuma. Shaya izandla. Shona phansi. Phezulu. Eceleni. Jikeleza. Jikeleza. Eceleni. Gijima. Zilule. Shaya izandla. Thuma kabili. Eceleni. Shona phansi. Phezulu. Shaya izandla. Zilule. Jikeleza. Jikeleza. Shaya izandla. Eceleni. Jikiza. Jikiza. Eceleni. Shona phansi. Phezulu. Shaya izandla. Thuma kabili. Eceleni. Shona phansi. Phezulu. Eceleni. Zilule. Zilule. Phefumula. Phefumula. Hlala phansi. Mngani, that was great. uLwesithathu olumnandi. A wonderful and great and fun Wednesday that we had. I will see you tomorrow. Sala kahle, Mngani.